In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from LinkedIn. Managing your LinkedIn account is crucial, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Knowing how to log out properly can help keep your personal information safe. So, let's dive right into it. Firstly, we'll need to make sure we're logged in to start the process of logging out. If you're not already logged in, let's do that. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to linkedin.com. Once there, you can log in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also use your email address and password to access your account. Now, a quick note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, you might be prompted to verify your login. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your registered phone number. Simply enter this code to complete the verification step. It's an excellent security measure that helps to protect your account. Once you are securely logged in and sitting on your LinkedIn homepage, you'll want to focus your attention on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. Now from this menu, look for the sign out option. It's generally towards the bottom of the list. Once you click on sign out, you'll be promptly logged out of your LinkedIn account on this web browser. It's as simple as that. Logging out is important to ensure that your account can't be accessed by someone else, particularly if you're on a shared computer or access a public network. Taking these steps helps to secure your professional communications and contacts from unauthorized access. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to logging out of LinkedIn. Remember, the next time you finish using your LinkedIn account on a device that isn't yours, or even if you're just done for the day, practice good security hygiene and log out. It's one small step that makes a big difference in keeping your online presence safe and secure. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your LinkedIn account, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.